So I'm out here today at Gymea for a customer who is in a townhouse, and basically they've got no leading cable. They've done it, whoever had the house before, they've done renovations and they've chopped the leading and stuff off. Usually that's the thing that you see in these old places right in the kitchen there. So that's all gone. So today we're lucky the pit's here. There's only some pavers, so I'm just going to run a new leading cable from there into here, put a little box on there. We're going to go through inside the garage, and we're going to run on the inside of that beam that goes across there, and it's going onto the wall on the back there, and then in the inside here is where their TV and stuff is. And we're just going to put them in there. So we've got to get this jigsaw puzzle back in now. This will be fun. So I've got my conduit in, got all these pavers back in, which is a little tricky. They're all very tight. So now I'm just going to sweep the dirt over the cracks, clean all that up. I've got my leading cable there. And now I'm popping out here.